Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I cook this delicious carrot jollof rice, and let's get started. To begin, in a bowl, add in 3 cups of rice. Add some salt to it, then pour in some hot water, stir and cover for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain out the water, give it a properly wash and set it aside. Next, here I have some clean and cut carrots, which I did off camera. Now go ahead, transfer in a blender, add in the red bell pepper to it, and add little water, cover and blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, set it aside. Next, in a clean dry pot, pour in some little vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. Once that is done, add in some salt and chopped onions, stir and fry for like 2 minutes. Okay. After 2 minutes now, add in the blended mixture and keep frying until it reduces in quantity. Okay, just as you are seeing here on the screen. Not too dry. Okay, now go ahead and season with some season cube, curry powder, nutmeg powder, garlic powder and ginger powder. Add it into the pot and keep stirring. Once that is done, now go ahead and add in your fresh pepper. Feel free to add to your taste. Okay, now add in the parboiled rice or washed rice. Mix until it is well combined and stir for like 1 minute. Okay, now add in the stock water and stir. Here I added extra pepper to it. Now adding some water to the level of the rice in the pot. Please make sure not to add too much water to it. Okay, now top it up with some grilled catfish. Cover the pot and set your cooker on medium heat. Cook until the water is completely dried up and the rice is well cooked. Okay, now we are checking on the rice. Now looking at it now, you will see that it has completely dried up and the rice is well cooked. Okay, stir gently, garnish with some onions. But this is optional. I topped it up with some grounded crayfish. Stir gently with love. Okay, next I added 1 tablespoon of butter to it. This is optional. Cover for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds now, our carrot jollof rice is ready. Stir gently and turn off the heat. And it is ready to be served. Serve with any chilled drink of your choice. Tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out this amazing recipe. You will love it. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.